We have 4 platforms that will help us get monetized on today's video. We have ChatGPT, we have Google Docs, we have GRoad, and we have Twitter. And I am going to explain everything to you in less than 10 minutes. If you are new here, my name is Ruki. And the first thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT and type in something like, help me find a niche to sell digital products in 2024. So it will give us really nice ideas. So we're just going to copy that and paste it somewhere. So we are going to ask again, please act as an expert digital product creator coach. Brainstorm digital product ideas and then just select one of those niches it gives to you. In this case, we are dealing with content creators that we are trying to help live longer lives, because as you know, content creators, like, they are always like digging, working non-stop behind the scene. So now we are going to look for this perfect idea that will help them live a longer life when it comes to their heads. So we are going to ask, create this guide for me, Healthy Habits for Content Creators. It should be a comprehensive ebook focusing on daily habits that are for content creators. So just copy that one again. All these niches, all these ideas that we've generated from ChatGPT, now we are going to head over to Google Docs and we are going to form a PDF file from Google Docs. What you want to do is to take the title first, paste it on your Google Docs, then also paste all the documents that you got from ChatGPT, paste it on your Google Docs. And so after you've taken all the chapters and you've pasted on Google Docs one after the other, what you want to do, you are going to check the mistakes and you are going to check some grammars and make some corrections. So once you are okay with what you've pasted on Google Docs from ChatGPT, the next thing you want to do is to download this ebook by clicking on the file button and then download as a PDF. So once you've downloaded that, then the next step is for you to go to GRoad and sell it on GRoad. For those of you that are not familiar with how GRoad works, GRoad is actually an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell your ebook, your PDF file, your courses that you got from ChatGPT and Google Docs directly to your audience. Click on create your digital product. Name of the product is just going to be the title of the ebook that we are trying to sell on GRoad. The price of this is going to be anything, but in my case, I'm going to make it $9. So I'm just going to click on customize and write a brief product description so that whenever someone click on my profile on GRoad, they are going to know what I am actually talking about. And to get the description, if you don't know what to write, just ask ChatGPT to get you a product description. So after inputting the product description, the most important part now is the content section, where you want to copy and paste the PDF file that you got from Google Docs. You want to copy and paste it into the content section so that when someone purchases the products, they can download that one as well, or just they will read before purchasing your product so that they will understand the content of the product. And for you to market your product on GRoad, I advise you make use of Instagram and TikTok, since you can post reels and short form content and post your products there. They direct people from those social media platforms to your GRoad account. Another way for you to monetize this product is with my fitness pal. For those of you that are not familiar with that one as well, it's a platform, a website where you can post products, refer someone, and you get paid money. So what I'm going to do is to go to my fitness pal and look for the affiliates program. So yeah, I found the affiliates program, and they do have an affiliates program that pays you $10 for every single person that you refer to the app. That is another cool way for you to monetize. So you can just go to ChatGPT as well and ask it to give you a list of software that you can use to promote your affiliates. So the product description that we got from ChatGPT and the content that we got from ChatGPT, we are going to go to Twitter, create an account. If you don't have an account already, create an account and just put everything together and make it a thread. Post pictures. You can get pictures from Leonardo AI and all of these AI platforms that you can generate images. So just go to Twitter, do your thing, market on Twitter. Whenever anyone is searching for the product on Twitter, they are going to come across your page and they are going to purchase through your link. That is actually a cool way for you to affiliate for products and earn money online in 2024. And for you to follow up, in case you are looking for content to post every day, go to ChatGPT, tell it to give you follow-up tips that you can use, and you are good to go. So that brings us right to the end of this video, guys. I hope that you guys gained something, one or two, from this video, and I wish you good luck. If you want to consider this, I wish you good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.